Hey guys, BeSnappy here. Here's the highlights of the whole Oshkosh 2024. Let's go. And she's also the current Miss America. So you're flying the most feared aircraft in the world.
And I flew it here in 6 days, and it took me 42 airports to get here.
I'm here with Rick from the hit TV Porn Stars. Alright, so this is the first time I've ever interviewed someone with a machine gun pointing at my foot. I'm here with Jimmy's belt and he's going to talk us through this awesome Honda jet behind us.